Think back. Unlock the secrets of reflective English. Hello, dear friends and English enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a phrase that is as simple as it is profound. Think back. This tiny phrase packs a punch in English conversations, stories, and even in our inner dialogues. If you've ever pondered your past or taken a stroll down memory lane, you've used this concept, perhaps without even knowing it. So, grab your linguistic time machine. We're about to explore how think back can be a portal to the past. Think back is a phrasal verb. Phrasal verbs are unique to English and can be tricky for learners because they change their meaning entirely depending on the combination of words. To think back means to recall memories or consider past events. It's a way to travel in time with your mind's eye to a moment gone by. When you think back, you're not just remembering, you're deeply contemplating or trying to recapture a feeling from before. Using think back is like setting coordinates in a time machine. You can think back to a specific time, such as think back to your childhood, or an event, think back to the party last week. You may also think back on a concept or period, such as think back on your first year at college. It's a versatile phrase that can help you connect with your listeners on a more personal level, bringing shared experiences into the present. Let's see how think back operates in the wild, i.e., in actual sentences. For example, when I think back on those days, I really feel like we were at our best. I think back to the first time I met her quite often. Can you think back to any instance where you felt completely at peace? In these sentences, think back invites the speaker and listener to revisit the past together. It's almost as if you're asking someone to open an old book full of personal stories and read it with you. Now, how about when you're asking someone to think back? This phrase is excellent for interviews, counseling sessions, or just deep conversations with friends. Here are some questions you might ask. What do you think back to when you need to smile? How often do you think back on your achievements? What memories come to mind when you think back to last summer? By using think back in questions, you encourage others to reflect and share parts of their lives with you. And there we have it. We've taken a journey through time with the phrase, think back. I hope this video has shed light on how to use this reflective phrase to enhance your English conversations. Whether you're looking back with nostalgia, regret, learning, or joy, remembering is a fundamental part of the human experience. Keep practicing, keep learning, and until next time, may your thoughts and language flourish. Goodbye and happy reflecting!